Okay, Las Vegas. We're here working on a furnace by Las Vegas Air Conditioning. And we're having a bit of trouble figuring out what the problem is. Not. This is something else, guys. Wow, this thing got hot. Look at this thing, wow. Just crumbling, melted, you know, and you know, most people would say I can't fix this. I can fix this no problem, but I won't, because this unit is so old and hazardous that it would cost so much to fix that I'm gonna just recommend a replacement. It's just a much better situation for the owner to replace this thing. If I was to fix it, though, however, I would need a new blower motor. I would need to rewire it in. I would need to bring in low speed right here to this camstat. I'd bring in high speed here to this fan relay, to this terminal right here, powered off here. Blower motor, one here, powered off green, white. Closes that on a time delay, also turns on your ignition module. We would put in a new retrofit kit. We would secure these burners a little better and then reposition this spark igniter. So it's all possible. I like to say if old things couldn't be fixed, you wouldn't see any antique cars on the road. Las Vegas Air Conditioning, we can fix it all. But sometimes fixing it just isn't the best move, and this is one of those times.